Let's talk about artificial intelligence. Already there are many YouTube videos with content nearly entirely AI generated. AI can write the script, produce the images, make a human-sounding voiceover or even a video of a human speaking, edit this all into a video, make a title, make a thumbnail, and make its creators lots of money. AI can pump these videos out to the tune of as many each day as you have the computer power to process. This is now what I and other creators on YouTube will have to compete with for views. You may say, but your stuff is quality and theirs is not. That may be so right now, but AI is going to get better and better. AIs could have other AIs fact-check them. They could be designed to make their content indistinguishable from humans. AI will be able to make a video that sounds exactly like me and uses my editing style, and it will pump out videos at 10 times the rate I can do it. In other words, AI will suck up all the air in the room, and it's going to happen. What I'm saying is not fantastic or prophetic. It's basically already here, an infant that will grow into an adult before you know it. So I have a few things to say. First, if you like my kind of content, I need your support now. You can become a member or make a one-time donation at readytoharvest.com. While an AI can put out a video in 1 hour, it takes me 1 week. An AI needs $3 of electricity to do it. I need to feed myself and my family, pay for housing, taxes, and more. Remember how newspapers have closed down across the country while online news sites have replaced them? The lower cost method wins. So in the same way that people who want to keep their hometown newspaper need to buy the newspaper, if you want Ready to Harvest to continue, you need to support it too. Next, I'm committing to not try to compete. You're going to notice this in a lot of YouTube creators, or worse, you may not even notice it. Instead of writing their own videos, they'll have AI write them. And when you've done that, it's not really you anymore. If I'm trying to compete with the AI, I have to use the AI. But instead, I want to be the quality alternative. If AI is pumping out ground beef, I'm going to be the Wagyu steak. Or perhaps it's more like a handmade blanket. Maybe the mass-produced factory can make a more comfortable blanket, but they can't make a handmade one. The quality is in the fact that someone put care into it. I can't compete with AI, but I can be better than the AI at one thing, not being AI. Now, I'm not a Luddite. I'm not afraid of AI. I don't want it to go away. And there are aspects of AI that I'm fine with using. For example, I have already used some AI-generated images as the backgrounds of my videos. I used AI tools to make the video backgrounds of this video, and I have used a few AI-generated images in video thumbnails. I also have upscaled some low-resolution images using AI tools. AI isn't doing the thinking for me here, but it's making the videos look a bit nicer. I also look forward to the day when AI video tools have advanced to where I can use them to produce versions of my videos in many other languages. I edit my videos in Adobe Premiere Pro, and they recently introduced text-based editing. I load up the video of me speaking, and then the AI transcribes the video, and then all I have to do is delete portions of the text, and the software cuts out that part of the video. It's a tool, a time saver, that results in the same video as usual, but just a faster way to get there. Additionally, I think AI can be a source similar to Wikipedia. Probably about 1/3 of the time that I make a video on a denomination, I at least do a look at the Wikipedia article. I don't put anything into my video that Wikipedia says, but I do look to see if perhaps I've missed mentioning something important. If Wikipedia mentions something that I think ought to be in my video, I'll then search for primary sources that can confirm or refute what Wikipedia says. And I've found a ton of mistakes on Wikipedia, yet Wikipedia is still useful since I know not to trust it. In the same way, I am doubtless going to be referencing AI-generated websites, which are soon going to be filling up a regretfully large amount of the internet, but I never trust any website in the end unless it belongs to the denomination I'm making the video about. What's troubling to me is that there will be other channels that pop up in every genre. There will soon be AI-generated denomination channels, but these channels won't have any scholarly or experienced human fact-checking them before you watch their videos. The end goal in these channels nearly always will not be fair representation nor education, but simply making lots of money for whoever can get the most videos out as quickly as possible. Someone with no expertise on the subject will most of the time be making the videos. And this is one reason why I'm so glad that my channel started years before generative AI came into existence. I've proved myself. I've made quality videos when AI wasn't an option. You know I'm the real deal. I feel sorry for people starting educational channels today because they will be suspected of using AI from the start even if they don't use AI at all. So here's some commitments. I won't let AI write videos for me. Every video on this channel will be written and directed by me. I won't trust AI content or any non-official website, which has always been my policy. In the end, I will verify my facts from official sources or at the least from member congregations and ministers in the denominations I make my videos about. And I won't try to compete with AI. I trust that you care enough for the quality content here to support this channel, and I'll always keep being me. If you agree with this, please head over to readytoharvest.com right now and sign up to be a member. I'll send you some stuff in the mail, and with some membership levels, you can watch my videos early, suggest poll questions, and more.